Hello, this is Arnold from SteelMaMa. Today we are testing 3 machines for Ghana client. Now it's the IBR roofing sheet machine. This is the manual decoiler. We are putting the roofing sheet inside of the machines. We use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 station rollers to form the shape. Now we are setting the orders. 3 pieces 300 mm and 1 meter length 3 pieces. This is a corrugated machine. This is self-lock roofing machine. We will go to cutter because the machine with slide cutting. 等一下，断了。Machine with pre-cutting. So you can see when you do this. So after your order finish, you can cut manually first. We cut first. It's automatic. After cut 3 pieces, it will cut 1 meter. Now you see the machine is slow because the length is short. Okay, the order finish, so it's stopped. This hydraulic pump off. This is the sheet.